Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling stand reminders on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With stand reminders enabled, you will get a notification on your watch when you have not stood up in the first 50 minutes of an hour. To enable or disable stand reminders, follow the steps below. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap activity. Then tap the toggle to the right of stand reminders to enable or disable reminders. When the toggle is green, stand reminders are turned on, and when grey, they are switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.